Today's letter is F. F, fish, F. Little learning friends. Let's look for the letter F and listen for the F sound in words. Fox, 4, 5, firefighters, fire, first aid kit, farm, fireworks, food, full, forks, fawn, forest, fall, fixing, furniture, football, field hockey, fence, flower, flamingos, fruit, frog family, frozen.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time you can sing with me.
Great job! You've learned so much about the letter F. Check out more teacher-created educational resources on Amazon and YouTube from Sycamore Press.